Hello friends, welcome back to the money video guys in my YouTube channel. Guys, today friends we are going to talk about guys iqoo mobile setting guys, and today friends I am going to show guys iqoo mobile guys system setting, and today video title guys how to change date and time in iqoo mobile. Friends, you want to change your iqoo mobile phone date, phone time, and you want to set your phone date, phone time, and how to set and how to change. One by one, step by step friends we will talk about. So open your phone setting friends. After on phone setting friends you can see this type interface in device, so friends scroll it. Open your phone system setting. After on system setting friends you can see this type interface in device, so friends you want to use system navigation, you can use from here. Friends, you want to change phone language, app language, you can change from here. Friends, click here date and time setting, and friends you want to set date, you want to change phone time. So first of all set time automatic setting friends off. After of friends click here date setting, and friends you can change date. So friends I will change into 24, and time friends I will change here 1 p.m. am friend, am you can select ok option, time will change friends, you can check time will change Monday 1 p.m. So like that friends you can set time, you can change date and time in your iqoo mobile. And friends you want to change time format, so friends click here use 24-hour format setting, and friends time will not show 1 p.m, time will show 13 means 1 p.m, 14 means 2 p.m. So friends you want to use your iqoo mobile, use 24-hour setting you can use. And friends you don't want to use, so friends after of guys time will show 1 p.m, 2 p.m, 3 p.m, 4 p.m, and 5 p.m, 6 p.m. So like that friends we can use iqoo mobile date and time setting 7 p.m, 8 p.m. And friends you want to select time zone, so off set time zone automatic setting, you can select time zone and you can change time zone in your iqoo mobile. And if you want automatic time zone setting you cannot select. And friends if you on set time automatic setting, correct date and correct time will set. Click here 23/11:51 a.m. Sunday. So like that friends you can set date and time, so you can set and you want to change, so can you can change in your iqoo mobile. Bye friends, thanks for watching the video.